Welcome to the video tutorial of Phonological Awareness Lab. My name is Barbara Fernandez. I am the founder of Smarty and the speech pathologist behind Phonological Awareness Lab. This video is an introduction video to show you all around this amazing app that will get kids on the pathway to better reading skills. To get started, you can select a scientist. You see you have a lot of different scientists. Each one of these kids has their own profile. Whether you are a parent using this app with multiple kids or an educator or therapist, you can just select the player you want. So by tapping on that avatar, you see they get their badges. And if you are using Smarty platform, it's called Smarty Online. Here it says Speech Language Academy. But you can just enter and that will import all of the students in here. But you can also just tap on add new player, enter a name, and then select your avatar to add a new student here. Let's go ahead and select Isla and John to get started. Then we hit the button play. Now, this app is packed with activities for phonological awareness. We have a rhyming and syllable X-ray. I'm going to show you a quick overview of each one. The first one is syllable X-ray.
Welcome to the Secret Sentence Experiment Lab. I will say a sentence. Tap the dropper for each word you hear. Touch the beaker when you are finished. If you need to hear the sentence again, simply tap on the play button. We are running late.
Here, the goal is to get the child to identify that sentences are broken down by words, which is a easier skill to learn before they segment words into their sounds. I already forgot the sentence, so if we tap on the beaker and tap on the container, here was a wrong answer. Isla's taking her turn. I'm going to press the play button again.
We are running late.
We are running late. Correct.
It is still raining outside.
Now, as you can see, it automatically allowed the students to take turn. Isla took her turn. Now, John will take his turn. And they will alternate like that. I'm going to exit, and I'm going to change activity.
We have brought the monster.
Chipmunk.
We
Monkey. Shampoo.
the
Chipmunk.
Decoding Room. The decoding room is where kids will learn to identify which words were spoken by our Frankenstein character here on the screen. And students are also taking turn. Now Isla will go, then John will go. And I think it was Chipmunk.
Zipper.
Then we have Zipper.
Dinosaur. Baby. Zipper.
And here we are blending syllables. In the decoding room, you can both blend syllables and blend sounds. I'm going to click on main menu and I'm going to also change to another activity.
We have brought
Here
the
is blending sounds. If we go back, you can see blending syllables and blending sounds. I'm going to go back to the map. We are explored activity number 1, activity number 2. Now let's go to the rhyming compound. This here is where children get to practice their rhyming skills. Rhyming identification, selection, and rhyming match. Each of these activities get harder, 1, 2, and 3. Let's take a look at rhyming identification.
We have built a machine to help us observe the rhyming virus. We need your help operating the machine. If the words rhyme, press the green. Sheep. Sleep. Leap.
Now kids have to decide whether these 3 words rhyme or not, and they press the button.
Car. Chair. Belt. Line. Swine. Dine.
I'm going to go back and let's go to the main menu where we get to select the other rhyming activities. We have rhyming selection.
The rhyming virus has gotten in.
We have fun intro for
Select
each one of
the
these
word
activities.
that rhymes with vase, lick, ear, field, ace.
Now kids get to select which one rhymes with vase. It is ace. I'm going to exit and return
Select
to
the
show you
word
guys
that rhymes
the
with
rhyming match activity where
tall, ham,
bored,
kneeled, poured, eye, ham, mix, right, sword.
here they have to select which one of these words rhyme with each other. They listen to all of them and select one. Now let's go back here, and the final activity is Syllable X-Ray.
Welcome to the Syllable X-Ray machine. Find the word that has 2 syllables.
Bean, pumpkin, animals.
On this level, kids have to identify the syllables for each of these words, remember their syllables, and find the one that shows 2 syllables, 3 syllables, and you will switch as they continue to be accurate. It will flip if it's wrong. And there it is.
Find the word that has 4 syllables.
Sandwich, motorcycle.
Ball.
Now let's take a look at the report center. The report center is where we get to explore how the children are performing and progressing with their phonological awareness skills. If I click on the student, take a look at this beautiful graph. We have it broken down by all of the different activities here and also broken down by each one of the sessions. If I click on the question button, I get to see which ones of the items was correct and which one was incorrect. This way, we can make sure kids are progressing towards learning their phonological awareness skills. You can share this data by clicking the share button, export into other activities, into other programs, or email, or print. Sharing this with families is an amazing way to keep families engaged in their kids' progress.